So then if me not trust him, the better me that put on my clothes and even though me can't see and go walk street. If you not trust him. You be trust him and in trusting God, you know. You be make him know say you trust him. You depend on him. No way out beside him. And then you think you're not going to carry it too? You think you're not going to carry it too? I will never leave you nor forsake you. I will guide you to the end. And that he said to me. So maybe that worry over. You don't see me that pass and grateful. No, so me not worry. Anytime anything in the house, you need to go and say, somebody happy can come. Can you doubt me?
No. You wouldn't be living if you did worry.
Eh?
If you did worry, you're blind but you still can't see.
Okay, alright.
I know people blind but them can't see, you know.
But no can't see and blind. You ever see that? You see me and you're blind. And me can't see and me not blind. You know see?
So
the inner man is more highly representative more than the outer man.
Yes, ma'am.
Whoa! Where them would have come from? My God.
It is the
more highly representative man. For the inner man, him, the one way inside, you know, have one other man inside of him, just so you know.
Yes, ma'am.
You see? Because if there's something inside of you upon the outside, it will work.